How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. It's Nick here, 45 Degrees Sailing, and I'm here with Mahina.
Hey.
And we're in Rogoznica. Now, we've gone on a little, what do they call this? They call this a staycation. So we got an opportunity to come up and stay in an apartment in Rogoznica that someone's going to be renting out for the summer and is available now. So we're going to do a little video on our trip to Rogoznica, which is a really cool spot, about an hour's drive from Split, heading north towards Zadar, and it's stunning. Anyway, take a look here. This location is really cool. We've got the sea and the harbour in down here, which extends all the way around past all the pretty houses into another section of harbour, and the sun has just been pouring in here this morning. We've been hanging out. This is at the moment it's like a studio apartment that is completely open. And what's that?
A very big studio.
A very big studio that's completely open, and it's going to get renovated also for the summer in the next couple of weeks. And yet it's a really nice place to stay at the moment. We've got a little kitchen over here. When I say little, perfectly decent sized kitchen over here, and massive area. It's really nice just being in a big space. It gives you a nice break from your room. Now this is our bed over here, and I dragged all my computer gear up, and we pulled the dining table over as we do to have a awesome desk by the sea.
You just like making people feel jealous when you've got this behind you.
So this morning I was having a Zoom call here at the desk, and I was actually facing the view, but because I was on a Zoom call, I spun it all around so that everyone could be jealous of the view. And these doors all open up, which is super cool and quite rare in Croatia, actually. So that's just a little sneak preview of where we're staying. And if you do want to come and stay here, if you're in Split or if you're in Croatia and you're looking for a little staycation to get out of lockdown mode and you want to come to Rogoznica, very cool. So this apartment's on the top floor, or the third floor. It's really easy to get up and down, and the nice part about it is it's really quiet at the end of a street, so there's no extra traffic coming down the road. You've got parking down here, and the word is they're going to put balconies off the top thing, but that's the floor. We're up on the top up there. So I'm down on the main river in Rogoznica on the little outcrop. You've got to drive across this bridge to get there. Very quaint little area, island. Apparently there's plans in the future to redo this bridge so that there's water flow underneath it. They'll be loving to see that. But what they're doing right now is, as you can see behind me, and from all of this, there's a major facelift, redo, complete reconstruction of the river here going on in Rogoznica. And I hope they got it ready for the summer, because there is a whole lot of work going on here, but it looks like it's going to be stunning. There's all of this beautiful white stone, and reinforcing all of the sewage and getting it all done here, and I can't wait to see when it's finished. So we'll do a before and after when it is done. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, bing, hit that button, so that you'll see that video when it comes out in the season, when they're all finished. But it's a very quaint, beautiful little town, and it's nice walking around seeing what they're doing with the place. This part of the river here is where often we have come and parked our yacht during the season with our guests to enjoy being at Rogoznica for a night. Really cool spot, as you see here. You've got all of the lazy lines, and this is where we put the yachts, and they're extending that all the way down here, because that used to finish right about here. This was the only space for it, so it's going to be a lot bigger. The Port Authority building is just over here, and then the bathrooms are behind it. So this is the sort of style you can see they're redoing and carrying on all the way down the river, which is super nice. Heaps of restaurants and everything up in behind here. In the summer, this is just it's buzzing. It's not overcrowded, but it's just buzzing and really fun. Some live music, A lot of local interaction, and there's kids selling their wares and different things they've made and little trinkets on the road and stuff. It's a very, very cool feel being here in Rogoznica. Across the way you've got Marina Frappa, and just behind Marina Frappa down there there's also the lake, or the Dragon's Eye as they call it, which is a very cool spot in Rogoznica. We're going to go check out soon. And then swim beaches all the way down. And if you're here to walk around, it's a beautiful walk. It's a very accessible walking area, and the walk down past the marina, all of these spots along the coast that you can stop at, is really neat. And of course, like all places in Croatia, there are cats, and wherever there are cats, there is mahina. So there's not many places open at the moment. Pretty much shut down because of course you can't have coffee inside, you can't have anything inside, but there's a couple of spots here. Civita Food Bar is doing free delivery, and they're doing takeaways here at the moment. I'm sure more are going to open up. And the bar here, they're doing coffees, takeaway, hot chocolate. And what actually brought us into this is we drove past yesterday and we saw a sign in the window that says gin to go, 15 kuna. So we're going to get a coffee, we're going to get a hot chocolate, and then I'm probably going to get a gin to go, because that's the best thing to have on a sign ever.
And it's a stupid little thing. When you get a coffee that comes in a paper cup that's 100% recyclable, apparently the lid's recyclable too, but I'm a bit skeptical. And a wooden stirrer. Castella and Split, we're so used to silly little plastic stirrers that it's quite nice.
Just a little thing, but really nice to see. Fish obviously has come in fresh off this fishing vessel. It's a local fishing vessel. It's getting loaded into the trucks. It's just nice to see. It's like, right, the fish came from the sea, it's off that boat, now it's going to get delivered somewhere. I like that. All in all, it's been a really nice stay. We're staying one more night. We'll probably go home tomorrow. We've got cats and different things to think about, and I'll definitely be back. It's been really, really nice. It's been relaxing. It's been quiet, enjoyable. It's been reviving as such. So, stunning view. Wanted to share it with you. There you go.